Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am using this very ancient glam planner kit, like matte washi. Can we talk about this for a minute? Like super old, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited to use it. So I bought this forever ago, and I don't know if you've been following my channel lately, I'm kind of in the use it up stage, and I am thinking this was a good one. I probably could have done it for the next month for Valentine's Day, but I don't know. I just wanted to use it this week. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and lay that bad boy down. And was this pre-sidebar stuff? Yeah, kind of. So, okay, I'm gonna zoom you in some. All right, I have a confession to make. I just bought a new lamp, and I don't have my huge studio lights on. Keep in mind, these are glossy, so they're gonna reflect anyway. But do y'all think this is a downgrade of my studio setup? So think about that while you guys are watching this, and see if that is the case. I hope not, because I love this light so far. I literally just pulled it out of the box, and I was like, well, I can tell, I can sort of see on the screen, like, it's looks pretty good, but I want your opinion, because that's all that really matters. Let's be real here. My opinion could be something like, yeah, this is the bomb.com, and it ends up looking terrible. But so far, from what I can tell, I haven't watched you back yet. Keep that in mind. It looks like it is pretty decent. I think, do I want to use this one? No. I think they're all too big at this point because I spaced them out a little bit too much. So, is this the same? Oh, this is before continuous washing, man. Ooh, it's fine. It's fine. We'll just use a big one. Okay. So let me grab my other planner that I wrote everything down in, because I'm trying to remember this week and I can't, because this is technically a back plan, so don't judge me. Okay, I got it. Awesome, I did nothing this week. Okay, posted a nail tutorial, so that's something. I hear my husband. Nail tutorial. Oh, I did a work lunch. Those are always fun. So in here, worked from home on Tuesday, which, do I have that? I do have that accessible. I knew he was here. You're such a creeper.
Good.
I'm filming. Another work lunch here. Let's go ahead and add some full boxes while I'm thinking about it. I think I'm gonna do this up here. We'll do this one down here. I'm not gonna use foil. It's gonna be real hard, okay? Real hard, but I'm not gonna use it, and we're just going to go with the flow. Okay, so you can see the bar ever so slightly, but with the studio lights, I feel like half of it was like not reflective. So yeah, you can see the bar, but I think it'll be okay. And it'll make my desk a heck of a lot cleaner, that's for sure. Oh, there were two black ones. I didn't see that. Okay, I'm undoing this. But since these are so old, they literally just peel right off. Oh, that's navy. It's fine. It's still too close. Coming up here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place these, I think. You know, a gold weekend banner would look really nice on that. Okay, finish those bad boys up. You're like, but you haven't laid them down. I know. I think I'm actually gonna move this guy down some. And then I can put this guy like right here. And then I'm gonna do this one right here. Go ahead and put my weekly tracker in like the old days. What does this weekend banner look like? Oh yeah. These are like so old. I don't even remember what the weekend banners look like. I gotta shift everything down now. But like I said, these are so old that they don't even stick. Perfecto. Sunday's done, that's for sure. So I did a party for the Patriots and now they're going to the Super Bowl and I'm so excited. I did a nail tutorial. We grabbed dinner. We had a shower. So I'm gonna do it this way for this bad boy. And then, yeah, so it was a shower. We grabbed dinner. Did I work out? It says I worked out. I don't believe that. Maybe I did. I think I did now that I'm really thinking about it. Let's see, let's do these bad boys. I'm gonna just put this at the bottom here, which is probably really low for you. And then I worked out here. Did I work out on Thursday as well? Friday, Saturday, Thursday, yep. Yes, and then I worked out Monday. Perfect, because I was running out of those stickers that were like, yeah, you worked out. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna put it up here, it's fine. Okay, perfecto. Wednesday was kind of busy. Oh yeah, I did some purging of my closet, so that was fun. So I'm gonna just like do a cute little icon and this little mini flag. I still haven't done that that video. I still have to edit that video, so yeah, I'm a little bit behind. I'm gonna stick, I'm not a deco person, especially anymore. However, there's quite a cute amount of stuff on here. Oh, nail tutorial Thursday again. Yeah, so my nail channel is doing pretty well. I'm really happy about that. I'm putting a lot of work in it, and obviously this channel I'm still keeping the same. Like it's like I'm trying really hard to just, you know, balance everything and just keep it together. I know it's hard because I can be, you know, a mess. Perfecto. Let's see, is there any little deco? Oh, there's some hearts, so I'm gonna just stick a couple of those. I'm not really, like I said, I'm not really into deco. And I think if I draw more hearts in, no one would ever know. Was that it? Yeah. Okay, let me go back to my list. So I had to be in the office Monday, but I did get to work from home on Tuesday. Had work lunches. Oh, I had to go to the grocery store, which I can put on that. And then his sister and my brother-in-law, so my sister and brother-in-law came in Friday. So I'm gonna put the little, well, I was gonna put it down there, but that's fine. Cause they drove in. Oh, I had to cook on Wednesday. That's terrible, it's never a good thing. And thankfully, you know, I got this because I never cook. So there's documenting that I actually did cook. Okay, I got all orders and, oh, I gotta be able to see everything. Otherwise, I'm gonna fail. I got all orders out on Thursday. So that's perfect. I'm gonna stick this here to kind of cover up that break. Friday, I think I'm gonna do the same thing, but just do it like this. And Tuesday, I don't really have anything. Literally don't have anything. I did watch a couple TV shows, but I'm like, do people even put in their TV shows? It was like a huge thing back, what, circa 2016? Like, your whole entire thing was TV shows. Does anyone remember that? The TV shows that were like going up, like just so far. And trying to think, that's all I can think about. Oh no, Amazon order, duh, because it's me. I want a little thing for that though. I'm gonna take one of these dinner ones and put this here. Amazon is my friend. Although I have to say it's definitely gotten a lot more manufactured and I don't really like that. And then put this down here. I only watched the first episode. I'm so far behind and we got rid of TV, but thankfully I can watch it on Bravo, so I don't really have to. It's not like terrible. That, should I just leave it like that? No. Oh, can I save it? Can I save it? Yes. Okay. All right, we are so far removed from this. It is today. That's how far behind I'm in this. I know, I know. All right, that's all I can think of right now. I do need a laundry sticker for Wednesday because it said I did laundry. Oh, look at that, laundry sticker. And I always do laundry on Sundays, but I actually ended up doing it on Friday because we had family coming in, so I wanted it to be done. So I'm actually gonna just, should I center that? Yeah. Perfecto. I definitely need this for Friday. And then I'm gonna put this up here because I left at 3 o'clock that day so I could come home and do this. And I think that is going to call it. That all I can think of right now. And there will not be a like filled in portion, I'm sorry, after this because I'm so far behind, I don't have time. So let me know what you think of the light. Obviously it's going to be a little different. I mean, I can make it darker, I can make it brighter. So I think this is like the happy medium of like not blinding you, but still giving you guys like enough brightness to where it's like substantial enough. Does that make sense? All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.